Question number 1. What do you need to make a model of a footbridge? Answer. We will need skewers, ice cream sticks, paper, thread, and glue. Question number 2. What is the difference between the functions of the spirit level and the plumb line? Answer. Spirit level. It is used to check the level of the horizontal surface. Plumb line. It is used to keep the wall vertically straight. Question number 3. What is an LED? Answer. LEDs are tiny light-emitting bulbs. When a small voltage of 2 or 3 volts is applied across an LED, it starts glowing. Question number 4. You have to install a picture frame on the wall. How can it be kept straight horizontally as well as vertically? Answer. With the help of spirit level we can keep a picture frame perfect horizontally straight on the wall, and a plumb line is used to keep it vertically. Question number 5. What is meant by first aid? Answer. First aid. First aid is temporary care given to a person who has a sudden illness or injury. Constructed response question. Question number 1. What sort of tools and equipment are required to make a wooden model? Answer. We will need a hammer, tape measure, chalk line, utility knife, hand saws, nail set, screwdriver, table saw, cutters, and pliers. Question number 2. How does a musical instrument produce sound? Answer. All musical instruments create sound by causing matter to vibrate. The vibrations start sound waves moving through the air. Question number 3. Why is it necessary to join long wires of LEDs together and short wires together while preparing light string? Answer. The long wire of an LED is positive, and the short wire is negative. That's why to complete the circuit it is necessary to join all positive wires together on one side and join all negative wires together on another side.